Industry speech on the topic why student enrollment doesn't need more tools, and it will be delivered by Mr. Subroto Ganguly, Senior Manager, Business Development, Merito. Huge round of applause. Thank you so much. We highly appreciate your presence, Mr. Subroto Ganguly.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Subroto Ganguly. I am heading the entire business development for the Eastern region for Merito, which is one of the product lines in NoPaperForm Solutions Limited. Before I start, or before we understand what does Merito do, I want to understand, or I want to basically ask 3 questions. Number 1 is, I can see people here from universities, from colleges, from schools, right? The first thing that I want to understand, the first question that I have for you, if a student reaches, like they reach out to you maybe from any source, right? Maybe from your website, maybe from one of the Google ads, or maybe let's say from Instagram ad, or they walk in. Can you see that entire conversation in one place instantly? Do you have any system to check that if that student, from whichever source they have come, where they are currently placed now? What is the current stage of that particular student in his or her admission journey? I don't think anyone has the answer. But yeah, people who are already using Merito, they can. Second question. At this moment, can you confidently tell me how many high intent students have come into your admission funnel, and who from your admissions or marketing team is following up with them? I'm talking about high intent students. Do you have a criteria, do you have a mechanism, do you have a system in place to actually understand about any high intent student who can get converted into an admission from an inquiry for your higher ed institution, or maybe a university, or maybe your organization? Anyone? No answers. Great. Number 3, the last one. When admissions, marketing, and sales, along with finance or your accounts team, they interact with the same student. So let's say the student name is Subroto Ganguly, right? And you have got 3 departments who are interacting with me, right? So does the context of the conversation automatically gets carried forward, or do all the departments or all the teams, they have to start individually? Simple terms में, अगर एक marketing team से एक person है from your department who's interacting with Subroto Ganguly, considering context 1, will the same context get carried forward from the admissions team or from your finance team or the person who is collecting fees? So do you have a system in place to check or to have the visibility given for all these teams in the same place? Don't have. So I believe these questions give you the answer that what we generally do at Merito, right? So we are considered to be the de facto choice for enrollments, or considering converting an inquiry to a full-time enrollment using technology in today's time. We have been serving almost thousands of institutions. Currently, we are based out in Gurgaon, right? We have our 15 regional offices in Pan-India, right? We also have got offices in Southeast Asia, in Malaysia, in Dubai, and we are also serving for the US and UK markets, right? So as you can see, it's an AI-powered enrollment automation platform that is helping any institution. So any vertical that you belong from, be it a university, be it a school, residential, non-residential, be it a edtech company, be it an online degree program, be it even a coaching, right? You'll be able to manage all your inquiries, all your leads, and convert them into a paid application or maybe a paid enrollment using our platform, which is Merito, right? If you look at the ratings here, yeah, so we are Captera 4.6. We have also got the South Asia EdTech Award in 2024 by Holon. Along with that, in terms of compliance and security, we are SOC 2 compliant, we are GDPR compliant, we are ISO compliant, along with we are DPDP Act ready. So that basically explains that any lead or any inquiry that belongs to you is very much safe, secure, stable in our compliant platform. Now let's understand about the ecosystem here, right? What are the failures? Like, why did we brought this? So we are currently in our 10th year of operations, right? And why we had to bring this technology up for the institutions here. If we look at the funnel of any student, it's very much complex, right? Any student, they inquire from multiple sources, as I said. One student can inquire from WhatsApp, one can do from Instagram, one can go directly for walk-in, right? Your marketing team who is responsible to generate that lead or generate that inquiry, they see it. Many times they don't store it or the admission team misses it because they don't know from which particular source that lead has come, right? Days later, multiple teams, they follow up. The student is getting responsive from multiple departments and the student has already enrolled somewhere else because there was no system in place. There was no communication management that was done on the right time in the right manner. So there is manual chaos that is happening, right? Teams, they are manually following up. They enter some data across different tools, right? There are complete follow-ups that has to be done on a real-time basis that were missed, right? And due to this problems, the student gets missed or they were not getting enrolled in the real time. The most important thing, if you look at the leadership, because I can see respective dignitaries in terms of the leadership of the universities here, right? The VCs we have got, right? So the leadership asks the admission team, right? How many qualified students are there in the pipeline, right? How many students have actually inquired about us in the last week? The admission team is not having any answer, right? Because they don't have this system in place. And the answer is dependent on multiple spreadsheets, calls, as well as assumptions, right? So assumptions is the right thing what many universities that don't have the system in place is working on. People here can understand they spend a lot of money in terms of their marketing spend, right? You do ATL, BTL activities. You also run ads on Google, on Meta. You also work with publishers who helps you with different types of leads and applications. But when you don't have a system in place, right, there is a very big disconnect. Why? Because the systems are not talking with each other, right? Institutions, they are paying the price of the lost leads, right? Decisions are delayed, right? And the student experience is hampering because the student is not getting the visibility that he or she should expect. That is the reason, right? So marketing is responsible for lead generation. Admissions team is responsible for converting the lead into an applications. There is no connect between these two. Again, the finance team who is responsible for collecting fees. Again, there is a disconnect. The most important thing, as I was telling, what you need is just one tool. Just one tool, right? The only right one tool that will help you centralize all these leads from across different channels, be it from chat, from email, from your social media, or be it from the calls, or maybe from walk-in. So it's acting as a single source of truth, right? There's no duplicacy. You're able to see each and every primary leads, primary inquiries in one place. The context get follows for the student across system, across the lead to admission journey, right? The teams, they are in the same picture, right? There is no disconnect. Marketing, counseling, admissions, finance, they're all aligned. They know the context from where to start and how to start. And the AI, of course, in today's time, artificial intelligence is playing a very big role, right? AI learns all the interactions in a very intelligent manner and routes or prioritizes that which particular lead or inquiry to follow up first and convert them and respond them, right? And the most important part, nothing is slipped here, right? Qualified leads, they doesn't become cold. So this is the same thing that we do at Merito exactly, right? It's built around the entire student life cycle, right? We are helping all the institutions, all their teams to all their operations along with all the departments to come in a single place, right? In a single connected platform, right? And enabling them to collaborate better and respond in the much faster manner, right? And ensure that the decisions that needs to be made, it is very much data backed and data informed, right? As you can see, the operational complexity gets reduced or it gets completely waived off, right? You're getting a unified visibility across all the enrollment funnel. It's very much faster. The student engagement is done in the right manner, in a consistent manner, right? All the manual work that you people do, engaging on different spreadsheets or Excel sheets, it gets completely avoided because there is no lead leakage that is happening, right? And the most important thing, the decision making. It is very much data backed, as I said. If you look at the sub-product lines of Merito, right? As I said, we have got different clouds available, right? So it is completely, it doesn't require any hardware or software installation. It is completely on cloud, right? You'll just get a login credentials and you just log in and you can see each and every lead that is coming from different sources and what is the current status of each and every lead and applications, right? So if you look at the cloud, so we have got enrollment cloud that comprises or gets your work done in terms of your sales or lead management, application management, marketing management, as well as campaign management. We also have got education CRM, right? That is basically without the application management, so that doesn't require any tool that will manage your applications. We have got only application platform as well for those institutions who doesn't require any lead. They want to manage only applications that can be done through us, right? We have got our education payment cloud. So all your payments, the student that they want to pay, be it in terms of application fees, be it in terms of your admission fees, semester fees, that can all be collected in one system, right? Through our education payment cloud. We also have got modern engagement suite, right? That helps you do all the communication in the automation manner, be it sending or triggering emails, SMSs, WhatsApps, or maybe calls or voice blasts. That can be done with our MES, which is modern engagement suite. And then we have got our agentic AI product line, which is Mio AI. So team, please meet Mio AI. This is your digital teammate, and this is something which will help you increase your performance, increase your efficiency, increase your productivity, right? And it's an industry-ready agentic AI that works for engaging students across your enrollment processes and teams, right? If you can see, like what all it can do is ensuring that whichever lead is coming, right? Before engaging that lead with your human admissions team, my agent will be able to interact with that student, check his eligibility, his or her eligibility, understand his or her intent, and then qualify that lead or applicant for your institution. And after that, that lead gets nurtured by your human counselor, right? It is completely built for education, right? It is very much pre-trained and it is ready from day one, right? And it gets integrated smoothly with Merito. If you look at the AI agents, so we have got two agents in place, right? I'll quickly tell. Number one is Mio AI Guide. So I'll tell you it's a agentic AI chatbot that gets integrated in your website. Any student that comes in your website, they don't want to interact verbally, they want to chat, right? The AI guide, the Mio AI guide will first capture the lead, verify his phone number, give all the information that they want, the student wants, and then convert that lead into a qualified applicant. And then we have got Mio AI voice. So it's a voice agent that speaks with the lead, right, on behalf of your counselor, and then converts that into a qualified lead, maybe unqualified lead or a cold lead to a warm lead, and then also acting as a auto reminder agent to collect fees or collect documents from the students. People who want to actually experience how MIUI works can open their phone, scan the QR, right, and you'll be able to experience the chatbot from your end. If you want to build a chatbot for your own institution in less than 60 seconds, you'll be able to do it by just scanning the QR code. And for those people who want to call and speak with our voice agent, they can call on this number and speak just now. Or else you can experience the same thing by meeting me in booth number 11, that's outside. As I was telling about the Merito Secure as well as the compliances, so these are the compliances that we have got. We are SOC 2 compliant, we are ISO compliant, we are GDPR compliant. So for us, security, and for you as well, security and stability is non-negotiable. So these are the trusted leading education organizations across India that we have been serving. You can see we have been serving the top universities, the top B schools, or the top exams, be it with respect to the preschools or the K-12 schools, along with that the EdTech companies, even the online degree universities, as well as international universities. So this is me, Subrata Ganguly, and thank you so much.